Here I have Nokia 225 4G, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly, you have to unlock your device, then go to the contacts, then press here, select copy contacts, then you have to select copy from, you can copy from phone or from the SIM card. I'll just copy contacts from the SIM card, then copy to phone, for example. Here you can select contacts which you want to copy. So let's copy this one, maybe this one, and then press here to confirm it. And as you can see, contacts copied from SIM1 to phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.